Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Markets have just now closed. Today we are seeing a nice positive close in Dubai Financial Market Index thanks to Emaar Properties, Emaar Development and Emirates NBD Bank. These three stocks performed very well and we can see the effect of it in the market index. Closing is at 4,155. Previously we were discussing about this important area of support and resistance, that is 4,240. If you recall, I had mentioned we are seeing a bearish chart pattern, that is head and shoulder, and then we saw a break to the downside. This was the neckline right here. Once this was taken out, we saw continuous selling pressure in the market. So after this important area of support and resistance, now this zone is very important for the market, that is between 4,135 and 4,145. We can see for the last 1 week market is just near this zone. Sellers are trying to push it down, but somehow buyers are defending, clearly indicating this zone is important for the market. Today's closing is positive, but still this is not bullish. We can only say some recovery is coming in after this drop to the downside. Now major hurdle to clear out is this area, that is 4,180 to 4,200 zone. I hope that DFM market index moves up, breaks this resistance, and then it tests 4,240, that is important area of resistance. So from here there can be another scenario also. Since it's continuing for the last 1 week, there are chances it would like to establish its base here and then maybe a break to the upside. On the negative side, if it continues going sideways, there are also chances it can break to the downside, because after this consolidation there are chances of breakout on either side, maybe to the upside or it can go down. So need of the hour is sooner it breaks this zone, then we can say most likely it can even break 4,240. Let's see how the market performs this week. Let's check out ADX. This is the daily chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index. Today we can see it has made a pause candle after this green closing. For now, still ADX market is under pressure, but at the same time, as I keep mentioning, there are very good opportunities in ADX market if you are selecting your stocks carefully. Otherwise, if you are just buying the stocks that are just going down and you are trying to catch it at the bottom, there are very high chances it will go down again and you will be in losses, or most likely you will block your capital and you won't be able to pick up other opportunities like breakout stocks in ADX. So please be very careful. Market is very sensitive. It's in a downtrend. Select only bullish stocks so that your capital is not blocked. Coming back to ADX market, for the last 3 days it's just going sideways. Today's candle is red, but the best part is we are not seeing bigger red candle or big selling pressure in the market like we used to see earlier days. Check this out, the candle sizes are big, tremendous selling pressure, it stabilizes, then again a big candle. So we do not want to see a similar kind of scenario, that is after this stabilization we do not want to see a big red candle into this zone, that is important area of demand. I want to see a candle close above 9,080 points, somewhat like this. At least it can give us some sign of relief. No, it will not be bullish, but at least it will be positive. Once we see a clearance of this area, that is 9,245 slowly and steadily, then we can say now it's in bullish territory, and from here it can continue its upside momentum. For now this is very tricky. It can even pop to the downside or break to the upside. Let's see how it performs. Ishraq Investments was one of the best performer today. This was also one of the stock that I had recommended in my YouTube members video. Earlier entry was right here around 0.310. After this breakout, it broke the resistance of 0.325, and again I had recommended this stock after seeing this green candle in my yesterday's membership video. Also, I had uploaded a public video last week. Just in case if you have missed that, do watch this and understand the reason why I had recommended this stock. Today's closing is very positive, volume is good, resistance of 0.360. Previously it was trying to break out with this solid green candle, it got rejected. Again it tried for the second time, we saw a red candle. Now what happens most of the time when people see this red candle, they try and exit their positions. I have been mentioning regularly, after a break to the upside there are two scenarios: either stock can go sideways, come down for a correction. This scenario is just taking a pause to adjust the price. This is also adjusting the price by going for a deeper correction. In this scenario, we are seeing this situation, that is, after a move to the upside, it just took a pause, went sideways. We did not see any deeper correction. Even here also, after this move to the upside, it just made a red candle, but then we saw a continuation rally to the upside. This was a bit deeper correction, but it did not come down at the breakout zone, that is 0.295. So we have to understand the price action, how it works, and then we decide accordingly. Look at this. From here we are seeing a nice bullish momentum. We definitely made good money in Ishraq today. I'm still holding my positions, and from here I'm expecting a continuation. Any entries you take should be planned with proper capital and with proper risk management. Otherwise, you are just gambling in the market. There are very high chances you will burn out your capital. For more updates like this, all you have to do is subscribe the channel and hit the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.